What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Home Gardening Channel. Today I'm gonna do a chili ID video, and we're gonna talk about Thai chilies. This particular variety is the red variety, and I got them just labeled as Thai chilies to eat. I bought dried Thai chilies, organic, and I saved the seeds, and my dad accidentally planted these. They're pretty hot, around 75,000 Scoville, I would say, to 100,000. Thai chilies are said to be from 50 to 100. These are probably on the higher end of that. They're very fragrant. They have a good amount of oil when you cut the pods open, and a good amount of seeds. They're not super fruity, but they have a little bit of fruitiness and a little bit of floral. Not too bad on the floral. It's kind of a unique taste for a pepper. They're different than most other peppers that I've tasted. And let me cut it open. There we go. That's what they look like inside. They got a good amount of seeds, but thankfully the seeds on these guys are not bitter. So when you eat one of these fresh pods, you usually end up eating all of the seeds if you eat a whole. Some people will cut the seeds out, but what I do is I normally chop them up and put them into food fresh. And my preferred way of eating these is green, like this. When they ripen, they get a little bit hotter, probably a little bit more flavorful. The flavor's a little bit different, sweeter, I would say. Than when they're green. When they're green, they're almost like a crunchy salad item or something. So what I do is I dice them and put them in my soups, and also add them to my salads and all different kinds of things. I'll eat this one just to give you guys a little fill-in of what it tastes like. But I eat the whole thing. Seeds and everything, except for like the MPs. When they're green, they don't have a lot of heat. I mean, they have a lot of heat, but not the same type of heat as when they're ripe. They taste a little bit different. It doesn't linger as much. I feel like when the peppers are completely ripened like this, they have a lot more lingering heat. Where when they're green, it's just sharp. You just bite into it and you eat it and it's gone. When they're like this, it'll stick to your tongue and your mouth a little longer. And the seeds are not bitter at all on these. Like, they taste good. A little bit of floral right up front. More so than the green pod. Good amount of heat on the lips a little bit. It got me right here. Not much on the throat. I swallowed all the seeds and everything. So not a lot of heat on the throat, but mostly in the tongue a little bit and the lips. Definitely hotter than the green one, and more flavorful. The green one's different, like the flavor is different. A little bit more grassy, just different, where the red ripened pod is more complex. So that's my take on the Thai there. The plants grow really big. The ones that we have are probably about 5 feet tall. And we're in the summer here in Florida, and this is just basically from a couple of plants, because right now they're not producing a lot. Our plants are probably producing 3% of what they normally would because of the heat. In another couple of months, these plants will be loaded down and we'll have tons more peppers. I have seeds available for these in our Etsy store. They just went up. If you guys want to grow them, it's free shipping, and you can grow your own. These guys will grow amazing indoors. You can just put them in a container, set them up by a window, and you'll have some delicious chilies all year with some nice heat and a lot of flavor. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to subscribe and share so we can continue growing. And I'll see you really soon on the next one.